Welcome to Rihana's Playtime. So today we're going to open a swimming doll.
Swimming doll?
Yeah.
But wait, you look so cute with your Hello Kitty glasses.
Yes.
And headband.
we're
And your
going...
necklace. And where's your purse? Next time we'll show the purse.
Okay.
It's from McDonald's, yeah?
Yeah.
So cute.
We're going to Hilton, so that's why we're opening the...
Yes, we're going to Hilton to
So
swim.
we're going to open it
But what is this? It's bouncing babies, Baby Maziuna.
Let's open it.
Let's
See.
But let's see first the box. What does it say? It has six functions.
Yeah, if you press this
It says,
button...
let's swim. I swim with my dolphin friends. I swim and splash. Number 4 is I enjoy playing out of the water. I also swim alone. And where is number 6? Where's number 6? There. Play with me.
So let's open it.
Open it.
Damn strong. Last time I was hitting my friends because I have to be very strong. I'm so strong. Can you help me?
Okay. There. Wait, let me pull it out. Hold the box.
Okay.
Open the box.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let me stop the video.
You hold.
Okay, so...
It's open. So guys, if you press this button, it will move. But you need to put 2 batteries.
I think, yeah, you need 2 batteries for the dolphin. How about
Yeah, like it says in the box. So
And the doll?
see the doll? Doll.
See the doll here? You can open her up here and then you can attach the dolphin and then press on. Says make sure the arms and legs are in the correct position to function. Move the arms and legs until you feel they have been connected to the mechanism. There are several connection positions.
We're not going.
Yes, Dada, we're filming. Yes, just quickly.
So see, we need 2 batteries.
Dada, get some batteries. We need
And we need the red one.
2.
Flip, flip.
What is triple A?
Daddy, look, it's flipping.
We need 2 triple A. Yalla.
Fussy, fussy. Daddy!
Yalla, Dada. Yalla, Dada.
Today my daddy has no work.
Okay. So that is the swimming doll. Later we'll show them how it works in the swimming pool.
Yeah.
I'll say bye for now.
Bye. That's so cool. Welcome, we're inside. I was sleeping along. Today we're going to show about the doll. Daddy, can you show us what it do?
Swimming.
Yeah, and if you put the dolphin, it will swim more.
The dolphin is there.
Where is the dolphin?
Connected to
Other-
it. That's why it's swimming.
Ah, okay. Is that your baby? What's her name? Maziuna?
Yeah.
Is she swimming? Let's see underwater.
Look under.
I'll look under. Hi, baby. Not you, the baby doll.
Okay, I gotta go. I wanna swim.
Other way around? Okay, we'll do it. Okay, let's do it other. Like this.
Yes!
Yeah, go baby. Go there. Go swim to Susu.
Daddy! Not for this! Daddy, not for this! Пойдете, снимайте себе голову.